Namaskar students. Today we will discuss on the question answer part, chapter 3, our last chapter of standard 1 syllabus, standard 1 of first term syllabus, chapter 3, page number 22. Page number 22, question number 1. Question number 1 is, how do we shut down the computer? Sorry, answer these questions. Question number 1 heading is, answer these questions. Number A is, how do we shut down the computer? How do we shut down the computer? Answer the steps are: step 1 click on start button. Step 2 click on turn off option. Step 3 click on turn off option again. Step 4 is switch off SWITCH switch off the UPS and main power switch. Switch off the UPS and main power switch. The full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. Okay. Question number 2. Question number B is, what is the full form of UPS? Answer: the full form is uninterrupted power supply. SUPPLY. Uninterrupted power supply. Question number C. What do you mean by booting? What do you mean by booting? Answer: the answer is the process of switch on the computer is called booting. The process of switch on the computer is called booting. The process means the way by which we switch on a computer is called booting. Now question number 2, state true or false. Steps to switch on the computer is similar to television. Steps to switch on the computer. The computer is similar to television. Is similar to the steps to switch on the computer is similar to television. It is the first statement. Number B. Number B is monitor is switched on before switching on the power of CPU. Monitor is switched on before the switching on the power of CPU. Switching on the power of CPU. Monitor is switch on before the switching on the power of CPU. It is a first statement. FALAC, because we have to switch on the CPU first, then we go to monitor. Okay. Number C. Number C is to shut down computer's UPS to shut down computer UPS. COMPUTER. Computer UPS is switched off first. Is switched off first. To shut down the computer, UPS is switched off first. To shut down the computer, UPS is switched off first. It is a first statement. Number D. UPS provide power backup. UPS provide power. UPS provide power backup. It is a true statement. It is a true statement. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is complete the word. Complete the word. Number A. SC dash E dash N. Number B. Number B is dash W dash T C dash. Number C. Number C is M dash N, M dash N dash T dash dash E dash and R. Okay. Number D. Number D. The last one is B O dash T dash N dash. Okay, complete the word SCREEN. It is screen. Number B. Number B is SWITCH. It is switch. Number C. MONITOR. It is monitor. Number D. BOOTING. It is booting. Okay. In our next class, we will note down the question number 5 questions and answers. For today, this is all for today's class. To all students, this is CW class HW for all standard 2 students. Namaskar all students.